was checking out the Fresh Dolls on YouTube and got totally inspired by Jacqueline's, aka Jack's, look. She has braids, and you know how I love my braids. So we are going to attempt to give this Wave 1 Jax some braids. Now I know what you're thinking. In the past, I haven't exactly finished any of my doll hair braiding projects. Sorry, Uma. But today I am determined to do it. Wave 1 Jacqueline can be found at select Walmarts. She is in a deluxe set, so she comes with extra fashion. Let's carefully remove her from the box. Out of the box, her hair has some texture, and a little texture is always good when doing doll braids. This doll is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. She comes dressed in a blue evening gown and has another outfit. Now, she might not want to walk into a hair salon in an evening gown, so let's find her something a little more casual. Carefully cut right under the shirt to separate the shirt from the skirt. Give her a pair of jeans, and this college girl is ready to get her hair done. But we're not heading to the salon. I'm gonna chill in my dorm room while my bestie braids my hair. She means me, by the way. All right, now, where do we start? Wow, this is a lot of hair. Might have been a little too ambitious. No, we can't think like that. We can do it. All we need is a spray bottle of water, a toothpick, and a doll brush. Let's brush the hair so there's no tangles in it. Spray it with a little bit of water. Use the toothpick to get a small section of hair. Keep in mind, the smaller section of the hair, the smaller the braid, the longer this will take. Divide the hair into 3 pieces, then begin crossing them one over the other to braid. I braid it as far as I can, then just smooth out the end to complete my first braid. I only have to do like a million more. To stop the doll from wobbling while braiding, I tape her to a flat surface. This is a large metal clipboard, which is nice and heavy. And I'm using masking tape because it will be easier to remove. Now we can start on our second braid. First we wet the hair, get a small section, divide it into 3 pieces, and braid. Done with my second one, I am braiding in the direction I want the hair to lay. So the ones in the front, I braid going forward. The ones in the back, I braid going back. I am starting my fourth one. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Let's go, Froggy! Let's go! You can do it! All right, so it's been about 3 days of braiding here and there when I have a chance. And this is all I have left, so yay! This is a great project to do while waiting in the car. I have taken this several times to pick up the kids, or while watching TV. I think I've done it! I can't believe this day finally came! I finished doll braids! Thank you! Thank you! I just want to thank everyone who believed I could do it! Thank you! We love you! Her hair is completely braided now. It's nice and full, and the factory curl at the bottom looks pretty good. If I wanted, I could be done. But I'm gonna do a hot water rinse just to help the hair lay a little flatter. I might need a bathing suit for this. Important side note, Velcro and braids are not friends. I use rubber bands to hold the doll's hair down, then pour the hot water over her hair up to the rubber band line. I use a towel to hold it down while it cools. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. And now I have my very own Jax with honey blonde braids. I gotta say, these braids look good on her. Now she is ready to go to class or study at the coffee shop. This hairstyle should last a while, as long as you're not trying to comb or brush it. Uma has had her braids for almost 2 years now, and we didn't seal the ends. The texture in her hair helped them to stay in place. Jax's hair has a little curl at the end, so it should be okay. For a while, at least. Thank you for joining us while we gave Jax a new look. Be sure to check out the Fresh Dolls on YouTube for a little inspiration. I'll put the link in the description down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
To give a shout out to Galaxy Cookie 25. What's up? Hey Froggy, do you mind if we watch something else? Just because, you know, we've been watching Spacecrafters for the last 6 hours. I'm braiding, so I get to pick the show. Okay, but could we at least watch a different episode?